We'll start with refunding a transaction from your sales history. And to do that, you'll go to the left side of your screen under Sales. Once you click that, you're taken to your sales history table, where you have a number of different filters that you can use that make it easier for you to find the transaction that you're going to refund. Ideally, the shopper that's asking for the refund has brought a receipt to you, whether that's email or print, as this will have a sales number that make it much easier for you to find that specific transaction. So you can enter that sales number into the search field here, and then you're taken to that specific sale in your sales history table. When you select that, you'll then be taken to the sales record for that transaction. And you'll see that there are a number of different data points available to you that you can use to verify if this is eligible for a refund. Sales number, date, time, products in the transaction, the card type, card last four, etc. Once you've decided that this sale is eligible for a refund, you can then select menu. You'll be taken to a page where you have a few different options that you can select from. For now, we'll move forward with refund. And on this screen, you have the ability to offer a full refund to the customer or a custom amount. We'll move forward with the full refund here, and we'll select the button toward the right of the screen that says refund. When we select that, a pop-up appears, and the default is card because this transaction specifically was a card transaction. You have the option to refund in cash or through other method as well. The other method could be store credit or gift card, but let's go back to the actual card refund option, as this was the payment method used for the sale. Something to note about the way that Sante does card refunds is that we refund the original purchasing card. So there's no need for the customer to present the card that they used for the purchase. You can just process the refund back to that original card. Once you select Process Refund, it takes a couple of seconds, and you'll see on the bottom left of the screen that we verify that the refund was processed. Once you see this, the amount of the transaction or the transaction value that's being refunded is being submitted to the cardholder's card, and they should see it on their bank statement within the next 1 to 3 business days. Another way to administer a refund in Sante is by running a negative sale directly from the register. This is most common whenever you have a customer that's asking to swap a previously purchased product for a new product from your stock, but you can, in fact, process a negative sale and do a refund that way. We highly recommend running your refunds from sales history if possible, as it's more secure, but we'll go ahead and show you how to process a negative transaction as a refund from the register. So let's type in a product here. You could also scan the product barcode using your barcode scanner. Once this is in the cart, we have the option to move this into negative. Once we move this into negative, you see that the checkout amount is moved to negative. You've got your subtotal as negative, your taxes are negative, your total is negative. So if I proceed to checkout here, now I have the ability to refund this negative amount in cash or other. The other is similar to earlier in the video, maybe that's store credit or a gift card. And if you were to process with cash, you'll get a verification on the bottom of the screen like you did earlier in the video, verifying that you have successfully processed this refund.